Hi, this is Srilakshmipati. In this video, I am going to tell about how to find the constant value using scientific calculator. You can see here CONST plus constant and 01. It shows MP, that is nothing but mass of proton. Plus equals button, you can find the mass of proton directly using scientific calculator. Then constant 02 Mn, that is nothing but mass of neutron. Plus equals, you can find directly mass of neutron. Constant 03 Me, that is nothing but mass of electron. Plus equals, you can directly find mass of electron. Constant 04 Mu, that is nothing but mass of muon. You can find directly the mass of muon. Constant 05, that is nothing but A0, that is Bohr's radius. Plus equals, you can find the Bohr's radius value. That is H, that is nothing but Planck's constant. Constant 07 mu n, that is nothing but nuclear magneton. Plus equals, you can find the value of nuclear magneton. Constant 08, that is nothing but mu b, that is nothing but Bohr's magneton. You can directly find the value of Bohr's magneton. Constant 10, that is nothing but alpha. Alpha is nothing but fine structure constant. You can plus equals button, you can directly find the value of fine structure constant. Constant 11 Re, that is nothing but radius of electron. Plus equals button, you can directly find the radius of electron. Constant 13, that is nothing but gamma p, that is nothing but proton gyromagnetic ratio. Plus equals, you can find the proton gyromagnetic ratio. Next, constant 14, that is lambda cp. Lambda cp is nothing but proton compton wavelength. That is next, constant 15, that is nothing but lambda cn, that is nothing but neutron compton wavelength. Next, constant 16, R infinity, that is nothing but Rydberg's constant. Plus equals, you can find the Rydberg constant. Next, constant 17, that is unified atomic mass. Next, constant 18, that is nothing but mu p, that is nothing but proton magnetic moment. You can directly find the value of proton magnetic moment. Constant 19 mu e, that is nothing but electron magnetic moment. Constant 20, that is nothing but neutron magnetic moment. Plus equals, you can find the value of neutron magnetic moment. Next, constant 21 mu, that is nothing but muon neutron magnetic mass ratio. You can directly find the muon neutron magnetic ratio. Next, constant 22, that is nothing but F, that is Faraday's constant. Plus equals, you can find the Faraday's constant. Constant 23, nothing but E, that is nothing but charge of an electron. Plus equals, you can find the charge of an electron. Constant 24, that is Na, that is nothing but Avogadro constant. Plus equals, you can find the Avogadro constant. Constant 25, that is nothing but K, that is Boltzmann constant. Plus equals, you can find the value of Boltzmann's constant. constant 26, that is Vm. Vm is nothing but molar volume of ideal gas, plus equals you can find the molar volume of an ideal gas. Next one is constant 27, that is R is nothing but gas constant. You can plus equals you can find the gas constant. Constant 28, that is nothing but radiation constant, plus equals you can find the radiation constant. Constant 29, that is nothing but first radiation constant. Constant 29, that is nothing but first radiation constant. Constant 30, this is nothing but second radiation constant. Constant 31, this is sigma, that is nothing but Stephens Boltzmann's constant, plus equals you can find the Stephens Boltzmann's constant. Constant 32 is nothing but epsilon naught. Epsilon naught is nothing but electric permeability in the vacuum, plus equals we can find the electrical permeability. Constant 33, mu naught, it is magnetic permeability in vacuum. You can plus equals we can find the magnetic permeability. Constant 34, that is nothing but magnetic flux quantum, plus equals we can find the value of magnetic flux quantum. Constant 35, G is nothing but standard gravity, plus equals you can find the value of standard gravity. Constant 36, G naught is nothing but conductance quantum, plus equals you can find the value of conductance quantum. Constant 37 is nothing but Z naught is characteristic impedance of in vacuum. Constant 38 is nothing but T is temperature. You can find the temperature in Kelvin. You can find the temperature in Kelvin. 1 degree is equal to 273 Kelvin. Constant 39, there is nothing but G is nothing but Newtonian constant of gravitation. Constant 40, ATM is nothing but standard atmosphere, plus equals we can find the standard atmosphere. Basically by this one button we can find maximum 40 constant value that is helpful in solving the major problem in physics, in field theory, and in many more subjects. By this calci we can find 40 constant value. You can see, you can note see for the reference. By substituting directly constant value, you can get the solution. For example, formula is like that: 4 pi epsilon naught by mu naught is nothing but, you can 4 pi constant epsilon naught is nothing but constant 32. Directly you can substitute like this, and constant 33 directly we can substitute like this, and plus equals the solution is directly getted by directly using this constant. This reduces the fault in calculation during the problem solving. Thank you. Thank you for watching.